Hello, beautiful people. I want to just thank y'all for tuning into my channel. If you're new, you can always subscribe. And if you're old, how you doing? So if you like this look, just continue and watch. Alright, you guys, so I already have my hair section off in 4 different parts. And my hair is already dry because I did wash it this morning. I was just being lazy that I didn't want to do my hair right then and there. So I'm bringing out my water bottle. I'm just about to spray my hair with that. And then I'm going to use my leave-in conditioner right after. Alright, so now that I already put all my products in my hair, I'm just sectioning it off a little more so I can start working on it. So I'm about to just put this right back up in that ponytail holder, and I'm about to finger detangle before section it off. Oh, I gotta just show y'all the length. Anyway, so I'm just detangling my hair because I did not do that this morning when I washed it. So I'm about to just part it off, and I'm gonna show y'all how I do my twist out. Okay, so I changed my mind by just sectioning off and then detangle. I felt like it was best if I detangle first and then just detangle with the brush first, and then as I go into the part, I just finger detangle. Alright, so now I just finished doing half of my head. So I'm going to do the other half off camera because it's just crazy to show y'all both sides when you only need to see one part, you know. So I show y'all that it's done. So I'm about to go. So I'll see y'all in a few right after this is done. Alright, hold on, y'all. It's not working for me. Hold on. Let me try this. Nope, still didn't work. Hold on. Alright, you guys, so now both sides are completed. I'm about to just call it a night, put a bonnet on. I'm about to get in the tub and just hopefully my hair be dry tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in a few. Kisses. Alright, you guys, so this is the next day and you can see the shrinkage and my hair is dry. So I'm using some argan oil and putting it all over my hair so I could just minimize the frizz. So I just added some more argan oil on my hands so I can unravel my hair. So I'm just going in the opposite direction of how I twisted my hair, and then I'm try to remember to start from the ends and work my way up to the roots so you can minimize the frizziness, because nobody want a frizzy hair after waiting hours for it to come out right, you know. Alright, you guys, so now that my hair is unraveled, that's how it looks. And y'all, I kind of forgot what I do with I left my pick at this day, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna have to just use my fingers. But the best thing to use a pick, I just could not find it that day, and I couldn't even find a comb. Now that was the crazy part, like how I couldn't find a comb. But anyways, I don't really care about making it too big on day one, because if I want to keep this hair style for a little while, so I'm just gonna do like minimum, like fluffing up, because as the day go by it's gonna get bigger, so I could just wait. But let me do y'all a slow-mo for you. Okay, you see it's flowing. But anyways, you guys, this is the end result of my hair, and this is only day one, so you know how it is. The next few days are going to get bigger. So if you like this look, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and see y'all next time.